All plants, like people and animals, can get sick. But instead of sneezing and coughing, plants show their sickness in different ways, like wilting leaves, strange spots, or even not growing well. Plant pathology is the study of these plant illnesses. Imagine you have a friend who is a detective, but instead of finding out who stole the cookies from the cookie jar, they try to solve mysteries about what's wrong with the garden plants. Plant pathologists are those detectives who work hard to understand plant diseases and find ways to help plants stay healthy. Plants face challenges from several things that can make them sick. Fungi. These are like very tiny mushrooms. Some fungi are helpful, but others can attack plants and cause them to rot. Have you ever seen a white fuzzy mold on bread? That's a fungus. Bacteria, microscopic creatures that can be found almost everywhere. Some bacteria are useful, like the ones in yogurt, but others cause illnesses. When bacteria invade plants, they can make them sick, often causing strange spots or oozing liquids. Viruses, these are super small and can spread from plant to plant quickly. If your plant looks like it's shrunk or has funny colored leaves, a virus might be the cause. Nematodes. Tiny, worm-like creatures that live in the soil. They can nibble on plant roots, making it hard for the plants to find water and nutrients. Environmental stresses. Sometimes plants get stressed when the environment isn't quite right. Maybe a plant is too cold, too hot, doesn't have enough water, or has too much sun. Then, it might not grow like it should, just like how we don't feel great when we're too hot or too cold. Plant pathologists study how these problems affect plants. They look closely at sick plants, often using special tools like microscopes to see things invisible to our eyes. Discovering what's wrong with a plant is only the first part of the job. The next step is figuring out how to help. Pathologists might advise gardeners to use certain treatments or change how they care for their plants to keep them healthy. One exciting thing plant pathologists do is find ways to stop diseases before they start, like creating stronger plant varieties or using natural predators to keep pests away. This means healthier plants and more food for us. So next time you see a sick plant, remember the plant detectives, the pathologists, who are working hard behind the scenes to help plants bounce back to health, just like how doctors help people.